Hey folks, so I just wanted to give a quick test. I wanted you to see how well the stability works on the DJI Osmo Nano. So I'm going to attach this to the harness on Shadow, the pug, and we're going to go out for his morning walk, and you guys be the judge how well you think the stability is. So here's his harness. So this is the underneath part, and this is the front part. So his head comes through here, so this will actually be pointing out. So I just got the bulk cap attachment on there, and so this will be on there like that, and so that'll be on him like so, and he's walking, and so you'll just see how well the stability is. And when he's walking, it's super great, and even when he's running, after he gets done doing his deed, and then we're running back up to the house, you'll see how well the stability works. I'm very impressed, and I think it's great. So this makes a great little doggy cam. So if you want to have a video of your pet's POV of what it looks like from their point of view, you know, that's a great camera, great combination. So yeah, check this out. Let me know what you guys think. Where you want to go? Boy. Let's go. What do you like to run faster? Who's there swapping? So hey, if you thought that was pretty cool, appreciate you comment. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time,